This was a must-take case for the Supreme Court, and I think it puts a lot of us in a bind now.
I agree with you in that it's a must take simply because the federal circuits have left this up in the air because so many of them disagree with the other. And for those who might not have followed this as closely, in California, there are a number of sheriffs out there who have told law-abiding California residents who are simply trying to exercise their Second Amendment right. They tell them, well, look, you might be able to carry if you can show that you have reasonable cause to fear for your life, and then you can carry a firearm. And I love Justice Thomas's dissent here. One of the big reasons why I love it, Grant, is because he actually touched upon Heller and how the Supreme Court really has already spoken on this issue when they were defining what carry means in the Heller decision, meaning that, and Justice Thomas noted this, we've already defined what carry means, carrying on your person, be it in your pocket, elsewhere, etc. And yeah, it means a lot more than going from room to room in your home. It means being secure in your person wherever you are. And so this particular case, this en banc decision from the Ninth Circuit Court, I can't imagine it not coming up again because there are going to be more cases like this. There's some discussion as to whether or not this is some strategy by perhaps some of these other justices. I think that might be wishful thinking. But I want to point out to our viewers, Grant, that the rumors that Justice Anthony Kennedy might be retiring, this underscores the need to make sure that we get Second Amendment-friendly justices on this bench whenever possible. And I think that this is going to be one that we're going to have to fight for as well coming up because, like I said, this is not decided. There are too many of these cases that are going to make their way up before the Supreme Court. The one in California is just one example. There are so many that could potentially make their way up before the Supreme Court. And because all of these different federal circuit courts have been arguing with each other and their decisions, at some point the Supreme Court is going to have to weigh in.